Small and medium businesses account for about 85% of jobs in Nigeria. While the COVID-19 partial lockdown is ongoing, a lot of these firms have continued to struggle to remain in operation. And at this point in time, the disposable incomes of Nigeria is on a downward trend. This brings to bear the question if the SMEs are still the backbone of the Nigerian economy. Latest figures from the National Bureau of Statistics shows that the total number of enterprises in Nigeria is estimated at 41.5 million as at December 2017. A further breakdown of the figure reveals that micro-enterprises constitute 99% of total SMEs, while small businesses account for 71,000 and medium-sized enterprises represent about 1,800. With the outbreak of COVID-19, however, it's been a distressing time for SMEs having to cope with the risks of the lockdown.
We're having such raw materials that needs to be turned to cash. There are bills running every day. We need to pay staff salary. In our own case, we cannot sack staffs because they've been trained. If we sack them, that means we are the loser.
Lagos is home to 8,395 units of Nigeria's enterprises. Quite a number of them are members of the Manufacturers Association of Nigeria, currently clamoring for loan moratorium and tax waivers.
We have appealed to government through central bank. Why not central bank, through moral association, plead with these commercial banks to freezing the interest rate? CBN has given money for those that have CBN funds. The government, through presidency, forced BOI to do the same. But what are the commercial banks? And majority of these loans are from commercial banks.
Government needs to give us at least 1 year tax-free for us to be able to recoup. And even paying our bills too. Our integrity matters.
Part of the response of government so far is the provision of 50 billion naira program for manufacturers.
I was really glad that at least the central bank took that initiative, and they did it very early on, like the middle of March or so. So we're 7 weeks into what they've announced, and yet I don't know a single person who has received it. I haven't received it. Other businesses, I put it on my social media to ask. I call people up. Until now, we haven't received anything.
The world is expected to slip into economic recession this year. This could lead to a four-phase process of shutdown, supply chain disruption, demand depression and recovery. But the severity of each phase could depend on government's practical response to Nigeria's 41.5 million SMEs. Temple Ashaju, Channels Television News.